There was an incident that was happened during the period of Adi Shankaracharya. On a fine day, Adi Shankaracharya went to Kailash blessed with the darshan of Lord Shiva and Parvati Devi. At that particular point of time, Lord Shiva gave him five Shivalingas which are made up of crystal known as Spatikalingas. And also, Shiva gave Shankaracharya the duty of establishing and worshipping the sacred Shivalingas, assuring that as long as their worship continues, Sanatana Dharma will never face destruction. Names of those five lingas are Yogalinga, Bhogalinga, Muktilinga, Varalinga, and Mokshalinga. These were established in five different places by Adi Shankaracharya. Yogalingam was established in Kanchi Kamakoti Peetam. Bhogalinga is at Sringeri Sharadhamba Peetam. Muktilingam is at Kedarnath. Varalingam is at Nepal. And Mokshalingam is at Chidambaram. Even now, we can witness Bhogalingam, which was established at Sringeri Sharadamba Peetam, where Jagadgurus offered daily puja to this Bhogalingam in the form of Chandramaulishwara Aradhana. These are the five precious lingas which were given to Adi Shankaracharya by Lord Shiva. Could you guess what was given by goddess Parvati Devi to Adi Shankaracharya? Make a small guess.